Hey everyone, Brendan from Brinkley RV here. I'm going to give you guys a quick walkthrough on how to store your two end recliners on the Model I 280. So unfortunately, we weren't able to get our hands on a unit, so I can't show you exact footage inside of a Model I, but it is very similar, exactly the same as the Model Z 3200 and 2700 as for where those two end recliners store. So let's get into it. So before we get to the two recliners, I want to note I already have the flip-up countertop on the island down and stored for travel. I have both of our folding dinette chairs in bags, and then we have our dinette in the center spot, which is exactly where it will need to be to start putting your recliners in storage mode. So I'll take this bag upstairs under the bed, and then we'll start working on moving the recliners. So starting with the end recliner, I do want to note on the back side of it, you do have power for your heat massage and your USB here on the end arm. So you want to make sure to unplug that before you disconnect it. So it's got two little hooks. You'll pop them off just like that. And each of these two are on rollers, so it moves around super easily. So we're going to take this thing and slide it in over on the left hand side here. And on the end wall, there's a little bracket that these two brackets on the recliner are going to hook into to prevent it from moving during transit. So you'll pop up the front just like that. So as we get ready for the second piece, I want you guys to note, make sure that the dinette is locked in the center for this next one to slide into it, along with the furniture strap. So I currently have this one hanging over the dinette top here, and then you have your other side on the right hand side. So once that's slid in there, we'll wrap the straps around the back and that'll prevent it from moving. So shifting over to the second one, it comes off just like the other one. You'll grab it, lift it up just like that. It's on rollers, so it makes it nice and easy. You'll bring it over here, pick it up, slide it in there, just like that. And then you'll take your straps, this one around the back, this one around the other side, and lock it in just like that. And then you can tighten it up so that thing doesn't move. So that is the storing of your two recliners. So now that we have our recliners stored, there's just a few other unique items within the 3200 and the 2700 to make sure that they're stored and ready to go for transit. So for one, your flip-up countertop, make sure that's down and pressed in. Make sure your bag chairs are stored in a safe spot, along with everything in the unit. Cabinet doors are closed, everything's secured, ready to go. I also want to note the QR code that will be on your dinette table. You can check that for a travel day checklist, which is going to be really nice and convenient for you. You don't have to think and possibly miss something. So that's going to be a great resource for you guys to hopefully prevent anything happening when you're getting ready to hit the road. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you found this video informative. We will have a new video coming here shortly with walking you through it inside of a Model I 280, but for now, safe travels and happy camping.